Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Kubota credit card online. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up a web browser and go to the URL box at the top. Type in www.kubotacreditusa.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this page. You'll need to type in your credentials in the right hand side of the screen. Go ahead and type in your user ID associated to your Kubota credit account in the first text box. After you do so, head over to the password field and type in your password. In case you don't remember your credentials, you can click on the Forgot Password link or the Forgot User ID link respectively, and you'll be able to find your credentials. If you're not registered for Kubota Credit yet, click on the Register Now link and follow the instructions. After typing in your credential, click the Login button, and you'll be able to log into your Kubota credit card online. That's how it can be easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.